So how did you enjoy your iPath? This is your first workshop, 2-hour workshop. What did you think about it?
Loved it.
Well, look at how straight and tall we
Oh,
are.
yes.
You didn't see us before.
I feel more centered, more straight. Loved it. And my lower back is better from one session. I'm happy.
I didn't have any pain when I came in, but my shoulders and my arms feel more mobile, and also I think my neck is better, looser.
Good.
Yeah.
Great. I know you've taken other types of rollers. The first thing that comes to your mind that's different with the iPath?
Patient and
More gentle.
not difficult to do.
Oh, good.
More gentle. Did not hurt.
Oh, good. You both look great. Keep up the good work.
Yeah.
Thank you.